5 seconds. Honorable Minister comes from a farmer family. He is aware of the difficulty caused by the floods. Today, the population of Bihar is 9 crore and approximately 3 crore population is entrapped in flood. Recently, on 18th, when I went to my constituency, 8 persons who were coming in the bores after cutting the grass drowned and all of them died. Our friends have said the water which come towards them come from Nepal. In Bihar, water comes from both sides. On the one hand, it comes from Bagmati, Ganga from the Nepal side, and on the other, it comes from hill rivers Chota Nagpur and area surrounding Odisha. It is right that river have become very shallow. The depth of the rivers and has become lesser, due to which flood come even if a little water comes into it. Para, floods have come in Bihar. We, the farmers, had sowed maize there. 5-6 feet water came there and the farming of farmers have been washed away. Mr. Speaker sir, you hail from Hyderabad and you would have the knowledge through newspapers or through people, but I want to tell you about the difficulty of our area. Had your constituency been affected by flood water, had the voters of your constituency been died of hunger, had they not been provided food and light for the last 3 days, had the women not been provided boats to go for wash, then you would have imagined about the flood. Shri Mohan Singh ji has done a good job by raising the matter in regard to the problem of flood. Para, but now he is confusing the Honorable Minister by entrapping him. I know that Honorable Minister hails from Uttar Pradesh and Honorable Minister was the member of Rajya Sabha. He was spokesman of his party and was very brilliant. Today, when our one colleague said something, he got angry. Honorable Minister, please forgive him. He submerged. On 18-19, we were in our constituency. We went in boats, but we had to come back because people told us that flow of water is very speedy and the boat will submerge into it, so we could not go there. You kindly return back. Honorable Minister, I want to tell you that people of the flood prone area are not getting food. Doctor is not going to give medicine to the sick persons. They have no space to tie their animals, fed in a far-fetched thing. There is no one to give them medicines. Hand pumps which are installed there are under 6 feet water. These people are leading their lives there only. Perhaps water level would reduce thereafter a week, then cholera would spread there badly. This disease would cause more loss. The lives of these people are in danger. In these circumstances, I want to request you whether you belong to this party or that party. We cannot solve this problem by complaining about Uttar Pradesh or Bihar. They are sending bills to us to amend this bill or that bill, but they are not making amendments in relief code. Had you gone in any part of Bihar in the flood affected area, As a local worker, you would have known about the relief being given by government. Several days old rotten wheat is being distributed there. Despite that, what government can give? They are not getting even kerosene oil for light. While drawing your attention to all these things, I would like to request you softly that I worship this house as a temple. I was in Legislative Assembly for 20 years. There I used to come at 10 o'clock in the morning and used to leave Legislative Assembly in the last. Here also I came at quarter to 11 and I am the first person to enter this temple when it opens. I worship this house as a temple. I speak only when you give opportunity to me. Sometimes I tried to speak and my name was in second number, but there are great personalities in our party. There is one member who was a chief minister, another member was a governor, and if I was not a governor, what is my fault in it? You do not see towards us. My seat should be in that side in second or third row, but I have been given seat here. I was a member of Legislative Assembly for 20 years. I was the chairman of APACT. I was minister also, but I have been given the place here. I have never defeated so far from the beginning. I always won. There is no question of defeat, but you have given me place here. I am sitting here as a student and I will greatly honor the order you will give me.